Welcome to this Apploye tutorial. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the live feed feature and how it helps you see team activities in real time. To begin, log into your Apploye account and navigate to the Live Feed tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can see which employees are actively working and which projects and tasks they are engaged in. You'll be able to view when each employee started their tracker for the current session. From the live feed, you can also take instant screenshots of your employees' screens. Just click Take Screenshot. Please note that you can take this screenshot with or without notifying your employee. You can change it from the settings. That's an overview of Apploye's live feed feature. Thank you for watching, and for more tips on optimizing your workflow, don't forget to explore our other tutorials.